You can see the profits. Profits made today, 55.35 US dollar. Convert it to Naira, 55 points. I'm trying to get the figure in Naira, 55.35 times, I think exchange rate is on 550. Let's just use 550. It's around 560, but let's just use 550. That's 30,442 Naira, 30,442 Naira, okay? So before I teach you or show you guys how you can set up your account on the social trading platform, how you can copy trades from experienced trader, I'm going to log in into a client's account. I had to get his permission to use his details, okay? I want to use a client's account who has registered his account on the social trading platform, who is following an experienced trader, copying the trade of an experienced trader so that you will see the trading performance over a given period of time. I think it started with a capital of 100 US dollar, and so far he has made close to 80% in a space of, I think, 3 weeks, or is it up to a month? I'm going to show you guys the account history so that you would see for yourself. So a few minutes, let me get his details and log in. Few minutes. Okay, so you can see this is an account. This client is on the social trading platform. Mr. Emmanuel, you can hear me. Let me. Okay.
Yes, I can still hear you.
Okay. Clear. So this is a client's account on the social trading platform. I believe you all can see. So this client started with, let's check the history. Okay, today, this client, okay, let me see the history, all history. Let's see, you can see this client started with 500 US dollar. On the 1st of September, it started with 500 US dollar, and as of today, as you can see, as of today, he has made a profit of 176 US dollar. You can see, no, it should be 137. Okay, I think they added this withdrawal to it. You can see 637, that's the total balance. 637, that means he has made $137 profit. $137 profit. That's about 50% of 500, no, 30% is 30% of 500 is 150. So this is about 20-something percent. Yeah, 20-something percent in I think, is it up to 2 months? Today is 19th October, and they started copying trades on 2nd of September. So that's like 5 weeks now. 5 weeks or 6 weeks, yeah. You can see. This client doesn't know anything about trading. All he does is what? Copy trade. He knows nothing about trading. All he does is what? Copy trade. Okay, so this is one. Let me share another with you. A few minutes. Let me share another with you. This one started with, I think, 100. The one I said started with $100. Few minutes. Okay, so I'm logging into the account. Okay, so you can see this. I believe you all can see the screen.
Yes.
Okay, you can see this client started copying trade on 20th of September. This is 20th of September. No, yeah, 20th of September. That was the first trade executed on his account, and it started with 100 US dollar, as you can see, 100 US dollar, and he got a bonus of $35. And today, first trade, 19th of 20th of September, and today is 19th, so that's almost 1 month, right? 20th September to 19th, so it's almost 1 month, and you can see the profit he has made, 189. His balance is now 189. He has made $89. That is like 89% of his capital. 89% of his capital in one month. This client also doesn't know anything about trading. All he does is what? Copy trade. Okay. So also I need to let you know that when you're copying trade, when you're following experienced trader, there's risk involved. Okay, there's risk involved. But the interesting thing is that you can minimize your losses. You can control risk. You have control over your accounts when you are following a trader, when you are copying an experienced trader. So when you are setting up your accounts, you will set your risk limit that this is how much you're willing to lose on your accounts. It is better that way than giving your money to someone and at the end of the day, the person disappears with your money, blows the accounts. So when you are setting up your account, you would state it there that, okay, I just want to lose maybe 20% or 30% of my account. So when the market hits, if the trader who is trading your account, who is managing your fund, if he loses 30% of your account or 20% of your account, whatever amount you set as a maximum risk limit, once the trader loses maybe 10% or 20% of your account will be disconnected from that trader. It means that that trader is not competent to manage your funds. So your account will be automatically disconnected from that trader. So this is an account of a client who is using the social trading platform. So let me show you guys how you can set up your account on the social trading platform, how you can copy trades of experienced trader. I believe you all can see my screen, right?
Yes, loud and clear. We can see.
All right, thank you. So let's go to Cabana Capitals website. Few minutes. So I'm on Cabana Capitals website now. So when you are on the website, we have the social and palm tab. The social and palm tab. So when you move your cursor, when you position your cursor on that tab, this option pops up. So you have the social trading platform. This is social trading. So what you will do is what? Log in. You log in. Now, but first, before you copy a trader, you need to go and check his or her trading performance over a given period of time. Don't just follow any trader. Not all the traders are profitable. So you need to check their performance. Check their performance before you follow him or her. Check the performance. So the first thing is you need to do is what? Go to the social trading platform. Social trading. When you click on social trading, it takes you to this page where you see the list of the different traders that you can copy their trades. Okay, so it's loading. So always check performance before you follow any trader. So you can see these are names of several traders registered on this platform, and you can see their trading performance. This guy here has made 221.2%. This guy is a profitable trader. He has made what? 221.2%. This guy today he has made loss of minus 2.82%. Now, if you look at this guy here, this guy proven FX is at loss of close to 100%. He's almost lost his account. So you can't follow this kind of trader, a trader that is not profitable. You can't follow him or her. See this one, this guy has made close to 189%, 189%, 90%. So you check their performance before you follow them. Don't just follow any trader. Now, those guys, I shared their information with you. Copy trades of this guy. Let me see. What's the name of the guy they told me they are following? I'm trying to remember. A few minutes. I think, let me check. Okay. Trade for profits. That's the guy they are following. Trade for profits. Let me check. If he's here. Okay, so this is the guy they are following. You can see 33.9%, 10.55%, 9.94 today. He has made 4.58% today. You see it now. So this is the guy they are following. Trade for profits. So let's go and see his trading performance. You can see this guy every month closes trades in profits. He's always in profit at the end of the month. You can see profits. You can see his chart. He's always in profit every month. So that's the guy they are following, this guy. So what am I saying? Before you follow any trader on this platform, check their performance. You can see some are 42%, 14.3%, 23.45%, you see. So ensure you do your due diligence. Don't just follow any trader. Ensure you do your due diligence. So we have over 140 traders registered on this platform, 140 traders. So now if you want to follow, let's say you want to follow Trade for Profits.
Hello, we can't hear you again.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, Maxwell.
Yes, I can. Can you hear me?
We lost your audio before.
Is it back now?
Yes.
So at what point did I go off?
When you were telling us how to follow the traders after explaining Trade for Profits.
Okay.
That we should not just follow the trader.
Okay, Trade for Profits. Okay. So now how do you follow? If you want to follow now,
yeah.
Now, for example, you want to follow Trade for Profits. Now you have your live account details and your password. That's what you use in logging into this social trading platform. So you go to you click on invest. Let's see. You click on invest. I think it's loading. Okay, so when you click on invest, you see this window. You'll be redirected to this window. The nickname of the trader is Trade Profit. Then on weekly performance fee, yes. When you're copying a trader, you pay the trader performance fee. Performance fee is 30%. 30%, that means he only gets paid when he makes profit. He only gets paid when he makes profit. So he is sharing profit with you. He is getting 30%, you are getting 70%. So if he makes $100 in a week, he gets $30, you get $70. So his performance fee is 30%. I think that's the minimum. 30% is the minimum performance fee, 30%. So what you will do now, you log in your account number, trading account. Okay, let me log in with an account number and password. A few minutes. Let me get. So you have your live account details and your password. So I want to log in with a live account. So, and the password. Log in with your password. Copy. Okay, so you can see I've entered the password and the live account details. So, and the name of the provider, signal provider, is what? Trade for Profits. Okay, so I'll click on register. You can see after registration, it brings you to this page. Don't forget to set up your copy option. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. So when you come here, you look at first filters for copy deals, edit. You click on edit. Okay. Do you want to copy all his trade, or you just want to copy his buy trade or sell trade? You select, but you have to use the all option because you want to copy all his trade. Minimum lot size, just leave this one. Minimum and maximum, leave it. Okay. Then you click save changes. Then next, yes, subscription strategy. Subscription strategy, you edit. Auto scale. Now, what you would use is what? Fixed lot size. Fixed lot size, okay? What lot size do you want to apply on your account? For example, if you are trading with $100 US, you can at least maximum lot size you should use on a $100 account is fixed. Okay, so you click on fixed, then you enter, for example, if it is $100 you have in your account, you just type in 0.01. If it is $1,000 you have in account and you want to use 0.03 or 0.05, you will enter 0.05. If you don't know what lot size to use on your account, you can always send me a message, tell me how much you have in your account, and I will tell you what lot size you should use on your account. Okay, so that's what you do here. So once you fill in this, let's say on this account, you want to use 0.01. So you click on what? Save changes. You can see, so we're done with on subscription strategy. The next one is risk management. Very important. Risk management, very important. So you edit, yeah, total loss level. Total loss level. So let's say you have $100 capital. So now you set your total loss level. So on this $100 account, I don't want to lose more than maybe $30 US. So I will set it here, $30 US, that's 30%. So my loss level, okay, just put $30 there. Loss level, that's 30%. If it is $20, you want just $20 you want to lose, you put $20 there. Okay, if it is $10 only you want to lose from that account. So if the trader loses $10 from that account, your account will be disconnected from that trader. Your account will be disconnected from that trader. So let's say I want to use 30%. Okay, 30%. And I think 30% is reasonable. 30% is reasonable. Okay. Then floating loss level. You don't need to set that. Just set this total loss level, 30%. You don't want to lose more than 30%. Just set it. Leave this floating loss level and total profits level. Leave all that. Floating loss level, you leave all this, close up. So it was save changes. That is all. Okay, that is all. Your account is what is set up. So after you've done all that, you need to activate. Activate. So once you click activate, you can see. So it's what is active now. So anytime Trade for Profit executes a trade, what happened? That same trade will be duplicated, will be executed on your account. That same trade will be what? executed on your account. And if that trader is making losses, though you have set it at 30% risk, 30% risk. If it gets to that 30%, your what's it called? Your account will be disconnected from that trader's account, okay? Or you can also log in with your account, your live account details and password, then you come here and click suspend. You suspend, you disconnect your account from that trader. Okay, so that's how to copy trade. That's how to copy trade. So that is it. So I think that will be all for tonight's session. Okay. Do you have any questions? Let me take your questions. So starting from Mr. Emmanuel.
Okay, yes. Thank you very much for the explanation. Now, how does the...
Few minutes. Hello? Okay. Go on.
Can you hear me?
Hold on, few minutes.
Hello? Okay.
Okay, I can hear you.
Okay. How does the trade provider now get paid?
It's automated. It's automated.
Okay.
At the end of the week, I think on Saturday or Sunday, that 30% will be deducted from the profit made for that week. It's automated.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I think that's all from my end.
Okay. Please, if you have questions, raise your hand up. If you have questions, just raise your hand up so that I can unmute you.
While you are copying, can you enter your own trade?
Hold on, a few minutes. What did he say?
If you set your account to be trade copier, as in to be following somebody, can you enter your own trade outside?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You can enter trade manually too. Yes, you can. You still have control over your account. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you can still trade with your account.
Okay, now, the profit you make, how is it going to be separated from the trade the person enters?
They know the trade. They know the trade executed by the what's it called? By the trader. They have the record. So it will be paid based on the trade executed by him. The ones you execute on your manually won't be included.
Okay. Okay, that's all for now.
All right. So Mr. Esume Emmanuel, your question.
Yes, thank you very much for this section. The question I have is, normally when you are copying someone like other platforms, I know, I don't want to mention names.
Okay.
When you are copying, they will tell you a copy master will say, this is the minimum you will have before you can copy, before you can invest under me, or you can copy my trade.
True.
Now, what I want to ask is, on Cabana, do they have a minimum? Do they have a minimum investment, or
depends?
Let's say you just have...
There's no minimum. There's no minimum. It depends on the trader you are following. Depends on the trader. This guy didn't state his minimum deposit. He didn't state it. Some traders will tell you their minimum. Once you log into their profile that you want to follow them, you will see their minimum requirements, minimum deposits. But this guy didn't set minimum deposits.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mrs. Victoria, unmute yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma.
Yes, sir. Sorry, I came in a bit late.
It's okay, ma.
Okay. I didn't get this program on time, the copying stuff.
Trade. Okay. How to copy trade. Okay. The video will be available. I'll make the video available so you can watch at your own convenient time.
Okay. Okay. Because I don't know how it's gonna look like.
You decide. You will decide after watching the video. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Wisdom. Kindly unmute yourself.
Okay, sir. You already answered the question already.
All right. Any other question? Any other question? Please unmute yourself or raise up your hand so that I can attend to your question. If I've attended to your question, kindly drop your hand. Any other question? Any other question? Mrs. Victoria, are you raising your hand up? Or I've answered your question?
Yes, sir. I am raising my hand. I wanted to ask if as you are copying the trader and you discover that if the trade has gone against the trader, can you close the trade by yourself?
Yes, you can. You can close the trade by yourself. But I always advise that since you are not the one that executed or that did the analysis, you should let the trade run. Let the trade run. Don't interfere. Let it run until it hits your stop loss or take profit. Okay. The main thing is that before you follow a trader, you have set your maximum risk limit. Okay, so you have $1,000. You say, okay, I don't want to lose more than 20%. I don't want to lose more than 30%. You already set that limit, so there's no need to be scared or panic when trade is going against you. Let the trader open and close trade. So don't interfere, because if you start closing trades manually, it could affect.
Okay, the trader can come and say that the trade could have gone, or there could have been a reversal.
Yes. So don't interfere. Don't interfere. Let him or her open trades and close trade. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Any other question? Mr. Vicky, do you have a question? Mrs. Darasimi or Mr. Darasimi, do you have a question? Mr. or Mrs. Darasimi, if you have a question, kindly unmute yourself.
Hello, sir. I really don't have any question.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. Vicky, do you have a question? Vicky, if you have a question, kindly unmute yourself. So if there are no questions, I would be ending tonight's session. If there are no questions, Vicky, do you have a question? No question. Okay, so before I end this session, let me just drop a setup for tomorrow markets. Let me just do analysis on one pair, which is the Euro USD. Let's see what we have on Euro USD. Okay. So like I showed you guys, those who joined early, this is an account of a client following copying trades. This client started with $100 US. First trade executed on this account is was on the 20th of September. And as of today, 19th of September, this guy has made $89 profits. This guy doesn't know anything about trading. All he does is what? Copy trade. So he has made $89 US. Hopefully, maybe in the next 1 week or 2 weeks, this would have become, let's say, $200. That's 100%. He has made 100%. He can pull out his capital. He can pull out his capital or keep trading with the $200. So this risk he took is just 1 month. Yeah, just 1 month. So I think his maximum risk was 30%. Unfortunately for him, the trader didn't lose 30% of his account. Rather, he made profit of 89%. I think that risk is worth it. Risking 30% and getting close to 90%. That is 1:3 risk reward. I think that's a good risk. That is a good risk. And as much as he keeps following the trader, it keeps making money. You see, the account keeps growing. So that is it. So let's see what we have on Euro USD. Starting with the daily, you can see today the buyers dominated, and what we have on this chart, based on what we have here, the buyers are still in control. So Euro USD is still bullish. Euro USD is still bullish. This rejection we have here, this pullback we have here that we experienced today in the market could be as a result of this support level. It could be as a result of this support level. Sorry, yeah, it's a resistant level turn support. So it could be as a result of this resistant level turn support. That's the reason for this rejection. So if you are considering buying Euro USD tomorrow, you wait for the market to close above this level. If you are considering buying Euro USD, you buy above this level. Let's see what we have on daily. Now on daily, the market just broke a previous resistant level, which has become a support level. It just broke a previous resistant level, which has become support level. That tells you that the buyers are still in control. So when markets breaks a resistant level, what happens? It aims for the next resistant level. And this is the next resistant level turn support. So like I said, if you want to buy tomorrow, based on what we saw on the weekly time frame, you will buy from this level. But if you go to 4 hour, you could identify recent resistant level on 4 hours. So best price to enter is this when market closes above this level. But let's just see 1 hour if you can find okay, on 1 hour, okay. So you can also consider this level. So wait for the market to close above the resistance on 4 hour and resistance on 1 hour. Okay, so you should enter a buy above 1.1660, 1.166. For those who are following the signals, you'll definitely get a notification when we execute trade. You'll get a notification. You'll get a notification. Most times those signals are dropped around 6, 7 a.m. 6, 7 a.m. So you will get a message. Okay, a message will be sent to you on what to do. You have to set your stop loss and everything will be sent to you. And for those who have not joined, you want to follow signals, all you need to do is fund your trading account, Cabana Capitals trading account with a minimum of $500 US. That is what I recommend. Minimum of $500 US. You should understand that what you're putting into this market will determine your return on investment. You can start with $100, you can start with $200, you can start with $300, but what I recommend is $500 US. We have those who started with $50 and they've been able to make 100% of their capital in a space of 1 month or in a space of 2 months. They've been able to make 100%. They started with $50, they started following the signals, and today their account has grown to $100. Some are their account has grown to $120. So you can start with any amount. What I recommend, considering good risk and money management, is $500 USD. So that will be all for tonight's session. Do you have any question? No question.
Okay.
Mr. Emma Excellency, no question?
No question.
All right. I really want to appreciate you all for your time. So hopefully tomorrow we'll have another session. So ensure you are active on the group so that when we drop updates, you can be informed. Okay, Ms. Darasimi has a question. Okay. Mrs. Darasimi, yeah.
Yes, sir. Please, I just want to know if tomorrow we can have strategy, how to
strategy session, right?
Yes.
Strategy session. The strategy session.
Yes.
The strategy session is for Cabana Capitals clients. So you need to register and fund. Okay, you need to register.
Yes, I have one.
You have account?
I have, and I've funded. Yes.
Okay, send me a message on WhatsApp. Send me a message on WhatsApp.
All right.
And send me a message on WhatsApp. Any other question? Any other question?
No. Okay.
No question. So please permit me to end this session. Thank you very much for your time. Do have a wonderful night.
Okay, you too. Have a wonderful night.